All right, fifth graders. Another book I'm going to read to you. Now, this book is a little different because it's this child who is making maps of different things that are important to them. It's not really a story, it's more just a series of different maps that they have made. It's by Sarah Finelli. So I'll just sort of show each page and talk about a few of the things on there. Pay a special attention to the map of my heart because that is similar to what you will do for this activity. I will also add that some things are a little fuzzy, so I can't quite read them, so I might skip over some things on each page. So the first one is just a treasure map. You can see the village, monsters, danger. They write, map of my bedroom, my desk, my sister's bed, Tom, that's the stuffed animal, my bed, slippers, window, toy chest, my favorite toys, my sister's desk, carpet. So, some things that are important to her in her bedroom, or his bedroom, does not say. Map of my family. You can see me, my sister, mommy, daddy, grandma, grandpa, and grandma, grandma and grandpa, aunts and cousins. Your map of your family might look similar or it might look very different. Remember, with all of this, there isn't one right way to make these maps. This child is just giving us a picture into their life. Map of my day. We have morning, breakfast, Saturdays and Sundays, no school, or the school bus to school, lunch, playground, my favorite games, home, supper, story time, and dreams. Now, map of my tummy, spaghetti, cakes, milk for good teeth, belly button, vegetables, more vegetables to make mom happy, chewing gum, knife, fork. Color map, blue, yellow, red, and then when you mix those colors together, yellow, blue make green, green frog, brown, we have blue plus red plus yellow. Orange is yellow and red, violet is blue and red, you have pink, red and white, black, white make gray, blue, he says blue day or blue jay. Again, like I said, it's a little fuzzy. Sorry about that. Map of my neighborhood. Home, my friend, my friend Louise. Cars, river, my playground. Again, things that are important to them. So, map of my heart. This was a page to pay attention to. What things are in their heart? Friends, grandma and grandpa, nice surprises, mommy and daddy, someone special, chocolate, sunny days. Map of my dog. Waggly equals happiness, tucked under equals fear, boo boo, let's see the dog's name. My name is blank. 4 legs, wet nose equals healthy dog, pointed ears equal alert. Dog's dream, a lot of bones. Road map, sidewalk, always look both ways, crosswalk, stop, wait, go, traffic lights. Map of my face, smile equals happy, nose, red nose equals cold. Oh, it looks like music's going into their ear, curly hair, 2 eyes. Map of the seaside, ice cream cart, beach umbrella, lifeguard, sandcastle, boat, busy. Perhaps they like the seaside. That gives us a clue that that's something that's important to them. And then that is it for the story. So for this assignment, you just have a blank heart, and I just want you to tell me some things that are in your heart, a map of your own heart. Fill it in with words or pictures of things that have a place in your heart. They could be people, they could be places, they could be memories, they could be things that you really like. It can be some repeat from the other activities we have done in this writing unit, but please do put some thought into it. Know that no one else will see this other than me. So if you're worried that someone else is going to see it, no one will. It'll be private. But really think, what is important to me? What do I value in my heart? If you have questions or you need ideas, let me know. You can go back and look at the page in the book that was the map of their heart. And I look forward to seeing what things you would choose to put in a map of your heart. Good luck.